All right, guys, today we're making homemade squash spaghetti with our own sauce. So let's get to it. So we're going to take a whole onion and our garlic, and we're going to cook that over medium-high heat for about 4 minutes on its own. And then we're going to add in our black olives, wow, and our tomato sauce. So the tomato sauce is just going to be our blanched tomatoes. One thing I did with this is that I did not take the seeds out, and I should have done it. That was my mistake. So take the seeds out when you're making your own tomatoes, when you're blanching them, just do it. And we're going to let that sit for 10 minutes on its own, and then we're going to put in all of our dry seasonings, mix that up, and let that simmer for 10 minutes again. Then we're going to add in our turkey sausage, let that cook for about 5 minutes on its own, and then we're going to break it all up. Once it's all broken up, we're going to let that sit and simmer for another 5 minutes on its own, all of this on medium-high heat, and then we're done. And then you're just going to take your spaghetti squash, take your sauce, spoon it over the top it with a little oregano, and eat it. Hope you guys like this video. Bon appetit, y'all, and enjoy.